Absurd defiance ends here, hatchling.
The atlas must remain mine.
Disintegration. Cleansing. Annihilation. Disintegration. Cleansing. Incineration. Is that all you have, hatchling? Disintegration. Cleansing. Annihilation. The fires of 1,000 suns.
I say sing them all.
Do not have the strength for hatchling. Annihilation. Incineration. Disintegration. Cleansing. Annihilation. Incineration. Disintegration. Cleansing. Annihilation.
When I'm ready, and not before.
Annihilation. The fires of 1,000 suns.
I should have seized them all.
This rain shall be studied carefully. Annihilation. Incineration.
That's what you get for trying to invade my atlas.
The blazing iridescence that seared the firmament for a timeless time now flickers cold for the briefest of moments. The enlightenment of its master has been impeded by your victory. The Maven is triumphant. For now. 2 claimants have arrived, desperate in their hunger. 2 claimants have been turned away. The Maven and the Nomad stand bloodied and victorious, but time is fleeting, and time is eternal. The enemies outnumber the stars in the sky. The enemies are the stars in the sky. Mark this as a moment you finally understand the insurmountable weight of the approaching tide. This is not the end. This was merely the beginning. The veil of constancy drew all beneath its shadow, into a steady sleep bereft of the petty squabbles that hemmed the time before time. Those who seek to seize the Maven's new realm are chained by that constancy, for they are as foreign to each other as they are to you. Were conflict even possible, it would rend the very cosmos asunder. Order requires that mortal champions are wagered and set against one another. The Maven's claim here depends upon victory, Nomad. Do not disappoint her. The Weavers of Destiny do not share knowledge of the path. The murmurs of the Light Keeper are not for our understanding. He illuminates the way forward, but our eyes are ever locked downward on the steps we take, marking each moment in tireless sequence. Only the progenitor may cast its gaze forward, birthing new ambitions apace as the old turn to dust in the light. In this cold conflict, an impulse emerges. The winter forest grows and does not burn. Not a miracle, not a gift, not a thinking mind. Simply the way it must be, so that existence may be. They are coming.